What, Richard?
Be productive, yaar.
Be productive with this.
Definitely.
How can you be productive with this?
Let's make something wonderful out of this unused box.
What can you make out of this?
Desk organizer.
That works.
Let's start.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
I'm Richard,
Welcome to SMART.
and you're watching Crafty DIY.
Richard, what are the materials we'll be needing to make this?
We need very simple materials. We need a ruler. We need a scissors. We need a glue. We need a cutter. We need some markers. And at the end, we need some color papers.
That's it.
That's all.
Let's get to working then. What do we do first?
Let's take an unused box first. We need to measure it and we need to cut it diagonally.
Cutter.
I need a cutter. We'll cut it to have a divider. Then rest of them we'll use for other dividers. We have this one. We have rest of the pieces. Let's use for the dividers. Then we need one more smaller box, so where we can use it as a drawer.
Oh, so the drawer is made out of this.
Yes, so it will be easier for us. We'll cut this portion so that our drawer can be placed well. So at last our desk organizer is ready.
Thanks for watching SMART. This is Andrew and this is Richard signing off.